I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly. You may know me as Kindly Kelly on Instagram or KU Glenn. Today's video is an after dark cook and clean with me. In this video I'm sharing a go-to recipe that my husband loves. My goal when you are done watching this video is to give you some inspiration to clean your home after putting the kiddos to bed and to cook. One thing I find after watching videos like this is that I am reminded that everyone's house looks just like mine and that cleaning is not for nothing. Studies have proven that what you do is so worth it. Improving the orderliness increases the happiness within your mind and home. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe. So, as I was getting started filming, cleaning this kitchen, my husband comes up and gives me a smooch on the forehead. I wasn't sure whether or not I would edit that out, but I decided to keep it. So today I am making burger salad. That's what we call it. It's really super simple. It's just soy sauce in your burger patty, whether it's vegetarian or whether it's what we're using tonight, beef. And add salt, pepper. Sometimes I'll add steak seasoning, and that is it. And I throw it over top of any sort of leafy greens that I have.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on
Before I get started cooking after cleaning the space first, I always wash my hands. You wouldn't believe how easy it can be to acquire viruses as a non-parent when you forget to do this once. This is all the more true with your little ones being in preschool. It's winter, so this is a general rule, but I had to mention it, especially in the wake of the coronavirus that has spread to the States from China. Since I'm new to editing, recording, doing all of this on YouTube, I may look at the camera a few times to make sure that it's actually still recording. I haven't had this happen to me yet, but I keep on hearing YouTubers say, so I thought I filmed this episode and I look up and I realize it stopped recording, so I will promise to try and stop looking directly at the screen as I'm cleaning, but bear with me.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some inspiration to cook and clean. Before you go, click that thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!
Somebody to love.